I was away if you don't talk. Hey, did you know? Relax. Let's enjoy this particular video because NDC full soldiers. And no more penny for them to be ABC and your media. And so, you bet you am alcohol now call and I swear your castle. I hold no. Now call your Archie NDC or one Cassade organizer. I was a communicator for the NDC. Watching out to in a Rumble Star. I'm a can was now first no NDC full soldiers su omu call on omu penny for say busia abruso momna mehwe bi na ya ewu afes no msa kire mu say NDC penny for nya say omu twa tro kire Ghana for no ade amonye ye mo maje hu animunyam me man kire mu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section ahayi Penyah block media mess was any dim obe like video no da ma bo subscribe button and back the notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wadwen de amame e wo comment section so baso not sure for any biashe ebuziani mu say ye kwa election mu no party a omu hye youth ni bo kese eye NDC for NDC for catch the youth ni say MP for there uwo mu a ye de nkokorafo na emu appointment kokorafo no mu obo mbra wi omu bibidi no omu na emu appointment ni ya forget youth no enti mo pese mu nya appointment after election mo nyo ni NDC because make I cry now there was a time in Parliament House yes where wo mu in after this ninth parliament was formed, and this regional and answer catch MP for say, on say more MP NDC side there, NDC in Kwana, Ubenya Obia or one the 30 smu, Abia regional minister. It will never happen in MPP. It won't per se youth, no, Munya position, and then you should all come to NDC. What I say, oh, I give it to youth in Trimu. And so, no kind of parliament on the same thing, and I don't for election, they gave sweet promise to the youth. And with the 12-hour economy formula 133, no money to be any Jumaye. Now this very name say ya tobe ya was automatically umanya Jumaye. Obia bedidi free, obia bedidi ebese nya Jumaye. Well, yes, I 70. Yes, I 70. When you down the lane, almost from penny for a binfa. Almost from a binfa. Amabusia from time to time na omu ba beka omunsem mumo woni muntwe woni mehweye ba still kwa na koso etinu omu asaba Ghana friend welcome to the Anasnef the Poma so Poma so pay my so one hwan my what's up baby
abusia me chiache mu nyina welcome to the Anase the leadership of the great NDC party Madaruma Eburu yesra mo mpanyufo amododa party ya no CEO samonya adwuma ye emu ministers ahodo yesra mo ntwa mo ni mehwe grassroot ne kakrawate enye se bia grassroot ne mamo pressure say mumla mehwe wo mu because sebi busumi bia so asandi skama na na se bibia tisa no that is not what we are looking at but no kura sem ne say yetete abete no so na ne cha no Obibeka say, we are building the country, we are building the fundamentals, we are building the economy. Yes, they are all important, but the party, a grassroots is equally important. Okay? There are so many avenues that we can create jobs for them. But there are so many avenues we are also not looking at. Your normal be bit mama party boys, any grassroots, any bibia soma monthly basis, they can be getting something. Mommy and Shani and yes, I didn't in free Nemboa party, because so grassroots, so build your money said dang, or money mu yet de said dang. You still need your grassroots to carry out the message to the grassroots, to the people at their doorsteps. And my mom, I said the grassroots are complaining too much, and I said, no, it's not that they are complaining too much. Let's be strategic. And for you, be into me, my offices in my country, but let's be strategic. Nancy, Kumasia, and then crying. Drivers are Omoko up and down, Omoji 10 CD, baby, I did 5 CD, Omoji 10 CD, Omoji 15 CD, 20 CDC. And yet, Bibiana air basis. Sadly, we can even use our grassroots to curb that problem. Free. What do I suggest? Your cars be Oko customs, any VRA, confiscating impounded cars be port. A binding bet me near my cars bear 300 a be good system. The moon from my grassroots, you name kaka, Monshada a specific conference be more say we are using it as a competition for those trotro drivers. And you be an the bus system be babe care we say. We the ma grassroot ni mu jibi na mo the ma grassroot no. What tell help me catch Kumasi kwan. I have 6 as a 7 pe. Santasi Road, Atonsu Road, Bokrum Road, Tafu Road, Kronum Road, Ebuakwa, Akadi Hibiu. Asa. Ya kwan yina no. And attack kwan so. Meje sa kwan ya mabobo bubodin say wo de trotro makoma 10 ebe gu kwan bia so asa problem na mo ko na national security ni bi kun ya chi bi ni ebo ebe twa. Party boys mo nti asese aban na te petrol so ayi but nkofo na ha mo age nti mo so mo nje cars ni bi mfam. There should be a competition. Mo de na mo be ye de abo aban na ne say aban na mamo cars say mo mfanya adwuma. Mo yi sa cars bi mo de ma Grassroot to mo so de ababe good system ni. Eti di onu kuta na private car na onu na akogino na opai 10 cedi obi ambu no aban cars na be 10 e da Santase kwan no so be 10 da Buakwa kwan so be 10 da a friend say Sofia kwan so be 10 da Atonsu kwan so no mu hie omu saa ugina ono wa amfa na o ma afa anko aban cars na be mba be fa na o ma afa de akọ we anya basis biya anya ni nyina na e basis sometimes we can be using the same approach now to solve problems we job for the boys we can create it for them no mo de ye adwuma enti akina nipa ni gina o pai 10 cedi na ban de na be gina na pai 4 cedi 50 no asesa o no do moko so de ka se bas ma trot ma ko 10 ya ban pa na techri say o mo mfa nya adwuma party boys na mfa nya adwuma na ye dia be go Santase kwan so o metima tena 15 cedi 10 yi wo kwan so because we don't apply trade the time almost so must specify you man notify say saka you do mo je for 50%. Umba be so mako. Omu ha na be tetebo no so. Ba ni nyina na e no ye hwe na ye basis na de na boys ni so complain ye be tima pebia mu maye cars ya custom fo ya gide agu obebrebe ya nya hwe si wa e proper aban betima yishiu krata de atoto so am ye gigibia ma boys ndi ayewu bus ni taxis ama sa transport problems now ye have in the country no eso betima atete ni na so your party boys with card bearing members are o metima yes adwuma no in support of the government because abana tifu so ye adwuma on moka but nipa bonefo gukuro mu ase ejije abo kese e mo abani din ho ba fi na ai matete no ma so so ye hunu ne ekofo ka ne de mo mfa cars ni bi ma boys ni fa me good system ni munje cars ni bi free customs divisions ho na cars ni guwa nya hwe ye ma na duane ni nya hwe esi wo so so a mfa mfa so bi amre o man no. There are about 20,000 cars that are impounding in this country. Go here, and people are crying about transport, and all the transport ministry can think about. And they say, "Yeko crabas in family. They be an bus, and then they be an bus." So sometimes when the trotro is misbehaving, you use trotro to compete with them. When trotros are misbehaving, we can even use trotro. Oko Ghana, Post and Harbor ni and the idea. Obekobun se Toyota Haze ni TD ni Hwan ni gugu Obama imu gugu bebre. But my cars by 300, 400 yaba, especially Kumasi ni Accra. Party boys bako chika nabaku dimate. Omubenyi omu chop money na ya system bia da bi omba be yes wo office bia obi ade nkwane constituency and we can use that money also to build a party empanyi for madawroma momienye strategical enye da bia na yesi ya kokra ba 300 ya ba wa bra ya confiscate cars be 11,000 gu kuro mu ha sei nya sa kokra ba ya ba na cars na ya confiscate no na ebeje e hwan dia egu a na pro ni ade ya ne scrap ni aton da bi mu fama boys ni ntwi Mumfama party boys ni Grassroot, mumfa bi mo muntwi. Omuso mfa mbra system no mu bi. Akwan ya mebubo bubodi nkotwi ene Atonsu ene Sofia omu an struggle wokumase apart from sa akwan ni so bia struggle bio. Atonsu na cast 10. We no nim say we de wo mu de ye de party boys into mu ye de abo party nti nya afi no mo koje atwa me bo. Abu akwa na cast 15. Santase kwan cast 15. Ebi kone bi ba nti wo gina ho a ye be se salod na ko agya wonti enye obi na be ka kire say ko gina ko ye 10 cedi ni twaso enye ni nyina na mpanyifo ye be kwa ko ye ne ye kokra basis dia ba ene ate national security agyo munja wo mu ngini wo mu na mo fa cars ni bi ma boys na boys ni fa me compete wo mu omu ye says 1.5 amoma boys ni nye 100 cedis because aba na de kana mo mu ye so mu nye fa ko mu constituency nye fa hwe constituency no so because nya da bia na ebetima ko CEOs no say omuma 1,000 fa nkoto aduani ni o boys ni betima yes no man ketenkete na de ahwehwehwe omu ama even po party deals ni ade omu de bi atuatua but for mom yen strategic. Let's be strategic. We can't be doing the same thing and expect a different results. And no kwa betima solve your transport problems no. Because me opia makomanya ba ko na metwi a minim sa aban no eye ade a ebe se e wo se me matemamufo no tom no mo appreciate aban na effort no me nko gira wo se me ko 15 cedis o me lodu afi santase akotre da me duru wa 50 pesos mo mo bo short no ye fa frikete ye be se na twama akotre the straight wo de fa frikete aso ba santase ye duru wa ye pa trade straight ye de be ye ma aja na manfo no so be furaja kotwin kuranse ye be gigi no ma afedo makọ. And that should be the way forward. Ye kuro mu afufu ye mantem afufu okokwa ada so interchange nase a hwenwura bi egugugugu ho no ne so fula ho nwura organize boys no mu do no mu nya yi afa mu de contract so e de ma contractors na emperi for mandahuruma mu no mu ntinase no mu no se constituency bi a okoye contract mu bi a wo so timi fa constituency executives no e no mu kasa no mu boys from the party to go and work. And yet, these are some of the things you should put in place. Especially media example, me share so. Some more contract be contract, no bench share so. I also think who chairman, fire more constituency chairman, say, ebia ye missing for 20. But a contractor now on the masons for 10 hour day, but a constituency, most of them pay mason for 10 for my own party boys. Now that should be the system. Because contractor no ba be adwuma na abentua ne kan aban no a onu ba be tua ne kama contractor na be nyamfa so na ye sa grassroot ni sa boys mason for ne carpenter for na de omu e ma aban ne kotena ne wa ma ne contract o it is aban ne strike deal say oko constituency bia make sure say NDC for wo ho no omu nya wa adwuma ni bia ye betima tete mortar ye betima soa concrete ye betima twitwa na de ayi carpentry work ni ade na do ye betima tutu labor work ye betima ye bi. And yes, a contractor and your man contractor or no abano akasa san and call for a woman so na Ghana for by NDC for no Ghana for be. A constituency be a mobile contractor could be a region be a Bama contractor could be the constituency executives must know the contractor coming to execute the contract so that they will assign people for them. When there you wrap a word where I say, yeah, and think on word, Santasi word, one word, why a carpenter for Dimbra, why you mason for Dimbra, contractor way by basic school, 6 unit classroom block, near assign no more Konoma Koya, Mano, Dema, 200 cities, 250 cities, 150 cities, and Umu say a biner a boy in the coin. He is appreciating us, and then be a bomb where you say, yeah, my remove 5 more mere from hospital. These are some of the measures you should put in place. Here will be the any opportunity, mom office. But if you no opportunity no more betnasia, me and discuss ya betima atso akyere ya adwene kakra fa ho kwan betima fa so ebehwe boys no wa bra ye nyusu o man ni sika nsai no nya da bia na ebekwa ka se a job for the boys ni atwa o man sika ese ye koye napko ni de akoto agu we ye benya value for money sa ansem ya make kire mu sa mo de mo adwene di akire ni ye tie bo ase strategize ye sa no na ye benya value for money. Ye benya value for money. A party boys na ye adwuma ba ye benyo mo so mfa so contractor ya sign contract be $50 million di amano na contractor na TS ma ko sa na workers di aba wa bra party boys ni bi omo yes skilled labor ai betima sign omo say okay e bia ni pass me contractor ya ma contract concert ya ma contract but we party boys omo nyina ni madwuma we ye mason mi opia mo akon mi madwuma mi mason work ba me say party boy ndi mo mfa no contractor no will just supervise over them no more year adwuma no we are no asafa normal Ghanaians na omuso floating voters na sebi on the belong to party A party B no ombenyo omo slot ba party members no should also get their slot in the contracts and work at the fields to better themselves, better their lives. And yet the bia no mbeka tell say ye nya school fees say na me ba yare nya ade o je adwuma wo ma me hawa adwene. Let's find proper avenues and create jobs for the boys and look at the party grassroots no. Ni nya da bia na munya abotre na munya abotre omunyina ntimet na office. And some of these initiatives man take here da bi ombe ha ma adwene sa ma adwene be so mu ha adwene but mu ha adwene because aboa ne pe kokwa aye ntino no so de ne ho twitwirisie so mo do mu atwitwirisie na esie na mo ma ye kokwa wo se kokwa no so ba mfa so ma wo mu what come to the answer
na on na no see ya ano mu say kire say and there must be a reshuffling because there are some of the appointees omunya hwe omuti ho and omunya people enjoy ana NDC for ne bre omuno mi adwumaden do ba abamu no omuno bre ana omuno empenifo na ma MP for appointment ana no mu e cut deals e wo ho no mo just say enye easy etiri mahama e reshuffle na appointment bebrebe on reshuffle bi
I will show you some appointees are on they are misbehaving. Some of the CEOs they are misbehaving. Some of the MCs, MMDCs, they are misbehaving. Sure. You guys are not smart enough. And now is it because mom party in whom be brave and answer them? Because me we here me babeka. 1 year so America. We have to save the party. Me say Ghana is happy, but the NDC grassroots are not happy. This is what is happening. What is it? And then and this NDC co-position and then some of these people are moody and say you run and you leave the party alone. Some of the appointees, uko agencies who are MPP phone clan MPP phone clan. So when you get there, some of them they don't even know you. MPP phone clan. And then this is funny TV no more. You see, President Mama Ebeko position 2016. There were some characters within government that no musuba more than into a party SCT in and a party no and 1 year campaign, the grassroots na nyaduma the party make opposition. The same thing is happening. History is repeating itself. And the way your MMDCs be this is where your momo chamso, especially Mano and Mani be your momo chamso. Or cause me them some Ghana, mama, some be some party. Na Ghana na do contra now. See you see a CV, need your money per juma, and how you do now. A party keke, and you obi o kra na ne oko prime minister no. In fact, obe running on candidates, you know, when to me and even quarter of their previous candidates vote on me, but they know me DCs. No good things. But when branches, no, a be a mason for, be a carpenter for, when you die easy, they know how to build more job, give them jobs. Contract need to come boom, na pamanipa me 20, at least or a branch in. So sorry, not the year who say we got it, and this into when your carpenter ya, at least the will be happy they will vote for NDC. So or you mason no your money because ya. The will be happy, they will vote for NDC again. You don't do this to the grassroots. The grassroots are suffering. Missing most of the agencies, including Cocoa Board, say Cocoa Board, so are you overstaffed? This CEO Nankasane can run the abbey, or say Cocoa Board is overstaffed. Now I want to tell you, my dear. I say NDC for no money being there. Maybe elections into my you know, but there are certain things I'll talk about them.
Now, now call your Kaswa or also any the communication officer NDC ni enyase because guy no akoma exposive I'm a fresh na akwa so on because of that no ama place akwa ama guy no e kan himself
enra me ofie be 6-7 mu ono na ye say obi hwehwe me nti me pia bo nti me compound na say o ma bie me main gate kura wura ye compound no what is the issue they almost say I'm under arrest. My den, omo me nkofa me door, crime lock me door, there be and they bundle me, omo arrest me, Rambo style, with bare 5-6 policemen. Then I am a regional communication team member of the party. Then am I enti amo ba be chimi to say I'm robber. Omo say me no mo de me share car mu, they seize all my phones and omo de me call a New Market police station. They do on my yafa caution statement. They want me still they have not told me what I've done. And I'm a catcher say munim. Someone can ya I won't cooperate with what you people are doing. And on Becca say MP Honorable Felix Nakoyo say I have misconducted myself. I'm saying really and untina somebody who have worked for this party several years, defending the party, defending the government with my own resources. Is that why she has to come and arrest me? Now call your men in the chat, they be a friend on fa. Until then I was saying my no, until I would treat me like that. And I'm more caution me we and I'm with me and run a journal. Until you see no, I pay a bahanum. They are showing me chat to say and until I'm more arrestment. And those are also involved, they will call them. You see, these things are intimidation, but some of us we are beyond it. Boy who no crabia was say a catcher and penny for more office MC MP no ya be catcher
Frema NDC Frema show TV 24 in fact woman we didi Akufo-Addo atem ankasa kasa twitwe nyina de ti Akufo-Addo on se obeka ya 2025 no kwa we ye no ana waye youth employment agency omo ede data bi ebaye a omo nsem nyina ne say the year 2025 no they were able to employ 86,000 people. They gave employment to 86,000 people. I said that seminar, omo PR, public relations officer, Wahab Abdul, or no that and seven by. I know, I'm NDC, TikTok, a free show, just da beya, any part of Mudu Muko, Henny, I'll point a bit of the Mawu, Munya is a muchatro, Ghana phone.
It's all a be over. Open the party be a child by any pabone. Now, how can you tell me this Kokwanan's story? Since when? In a year, I employ 86,000 youth. Now some way to me employ such numbers there. And where are those people? They be a mobile, any person my employ. Grassroots now my employer. I'm going to blue and black no. You see then. And Omomoka Caribbean. We cry no. First batch and never Caribbean, which is Nipa 121. And to tell me, then a munya figure of 86,000. Yempe intimament to be. You see, Ade Bakwa Emma Yempe NPP for ye cassette or mono, that kind of rough numbers now, Modeba Bonten. Sebi, database now more can we can all see the database and we know how many people you guys has employed. So Ubana Bekan Kukwana story chair me say more NDC are buying my employee nipa 86,000. Where are those people? Because the youth are still suffering. There is no job. There is no employment in Ghana. Even as a matter of fact, nobody's hiring. So what are you talking about? Do not start. Because if you start this rough figures, we're also going to put it to you. Kwakram, one ferry, so better on Venezuela. Also on ferry, so they do better so. A message to NDC, especially Yempentro.
Chile wa bi mami, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.